everyone, this is Sebrina from Qingdao Maxizm Construction Machinery Company Limited. Today we are in Qingdao Port and taking this video for you. Now you can see that behind on me here is a dump truck. Its brand is SINOTRUK HOWO. It's very famous and popular in all over the world, and its driving model type is 6x4. Now let's see its tire. You can see that this is a tire brand, LINGLONG. It's very famous in China, and this is the tire model. This is the engine system of this dump truck. Its engine brand is Weichai. Rated power is about 400 horsepower, and the oil tank is about 300 liters. Next, let's see its hydraulic system. It's Chinese brand hydraulic front lifting system, and the capacity is 48 liters. This is a filter system. You can see this is a Sinotruck system. It's diesel fuel filter, water separator, and this is a oil bath air cleaner. This is the inside of the cabin. You can see it's the RHD and with single bed. It also has the air conditioner system. Okay guys, above are some details of this dump truck. So welcome to inquiry, and thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.